A wooden balcony furniture set has a unique way of transforming even the smallest outdoor space into something warm, comfortable, and lived in. Wood brings a natural calmness that works beautifully in open air. When you place wooden furniture on a balcony, the whole area feels more inviting, not just as a spot to pass through, but as a place to actually sit, relax, and spend time. What makes wooden furniture especially appealing for balconies is its balance between function and atmosphere. A well built wooden chair or table doesn't look overly modern or artificial. It blends smoothly with plants, sunlight, and fresh air. Whether your balcony overlooks a garden, a cityscape, or even a quiet backyard, wooden furniture softens the environment and makes the space feel grounded. Most balcony setups begin with seating. Wooden chairs provide a steady and comfortable base because wood has a natural weight and stability. Even compact chairs feel substantial without being bulky. The texture of wood makes outdoor seating feel warmer, and the more you use it, the more the surface takes on gentle character from sunlight and weather. This natural aging is part of the charm. Wooden furniture develops its own quiet personality over time. A wooden balcony table becomes the heart of the setup. It is where you place your morning coffee, your book, your laptop, or a small meal. The table doesn't need to be large. Even a small wooden surface can make a balcony feel more functional because wood is sturdy and doesn't echo or rattle. It feels pleasant to use. Setting something down creates a soft sound instead of the sharp clang you get from metal or plastic. People often underestimate how much flexibility a wooden balcony set can bring. Wooden benches, for example, are perfect for narrow balconies because they line up neatly against the wall and save space. They offer wider seating for relaxing, reading, or stretching out your legs. In many homes, a bench becomes a natural extension of the balcony's architecture. Part furniture, part built-in feature. Wooden side tables also add a lot of convenience without taking up too much room. They offer a place for plants, refreshments, candles, or decorative pieces because wood visually blends into the background. Even adding a couple of small pieces doesn't make the space feel cluttered. Instead, it creates layers of height and depth that make a balcony feel more thoughtfully arranged. Another advantage of wooden balcony sets is how well they pair with greenery. Plants look especially vibrant next to wood because their natural tones complement each other. Adding a few potted plants around your wooden furniture creates an immediate sense of calm and balance. Even a small balcony feels more like a private outdoor retreat when wood and plants work together. Comfort also plays a big role. Wood provides a solid, supportive base that pairs easily with cushions or throws. You can change the entire mood of the balcony just by switching fabrics. Soft neutrals for a calming atmosphere, richer shades for a more dramatic look, or light airy colors for a breezy vibe. Wooden furniture adapts to all of these styles without needing any actual structural change. One of the strengths of wooden balcony furniture is durability. With proper finishing and occasional maintenance, wood handles outdoor conditions well. Sunlight softens its tone, rain enhances its natural character, and fresh air keeps it feeling alive. Unlike artificial materials that fade or become brittle, wood ages gracefully. Even small weathered marks can add charm instead of looking like damage. A wooden balcony setup can also create different zones within a small area. A chair and table can form a reading corner. A bench creates a relaxing spot for conversation. A wooden shelf holds plants or decor. These subtle divisions gives the balcony a sense of purpose and structure, allowing you to use this space in multiple ways without crowding it. For people who use their balconies for work or study, wooden furniture provides a stable, comfortable surface. A wooden table feels solid under a laptop or notebook, and the calming visuals of wood and outdoor light can make working feel less confined. Even a short break on a wooden balcony seat can reset your mind. Ultimately, wooden balcony furniture sets offer a blend of practicality, comfort, and natural aesthetics. They make balconies feel like extensions of home rather than leftover spaces. So until next time, happy decorating.